Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Current Affair Analysis for Prelims 2020, and the topic for today's video is latest initiatives of the Ministry of Mines. So the Ministry of Mines, in tune with its National Mineral Exploration Policy, to give vision to this policy, it has created a scheme called the Pradhan Mantri Khanig Kshetra Kalyan Yojana. So in extension to this, there were certain initiatives to improve the business activity and technology aspects of this particular scheme. So as a part of that, there are some initiatives that we are going to talk about. The first one amongst them is the Sudur Drishti initiative. So this project has been launched by Indian Bureau of Mines, which is under the Ministry of Mines, in collaboration with National Remote Sensing Center. So this is under ISRO actually, and also the Department of Space. So what this actually does is it monitors mining activity through satellites. So we have various Earth observation satellites and remote sensing satellites. So these satellites are placed in sun synchronous orbits, sun synchronous polar orbits, and they observe the Earth in a particular orbit very close to the Earth in low Earth orbit. So this is the important point you have to know. So there is a service called Bhuvan, which is created for monitoring of periodic changes in the mining areas. So this happens within the mining lease boundary, and development of mobile app for field data collection is also a part of this. So Sudur Drishti is the first such initiative. The second one is TAMRA. It stands for Transparency, Auction Monitoring and Resource Augmentation. This is basically a website wherein you will streamline the process of statutory clearances required for mining operations. So it is like a single window clearance. So in order to ensure transparency in allocation of blocks, it was decided in the National Mineral Exploration Policy that almost all the minerals should be auctioned, and the information regarding the blocks which were out for auction were displayed block wise, state wise and mineral wise. So you can apply the filter required and you can have a look at the information. Now let us consider this particular question in the context of the initiatives of Mines Ministry. So NSRC, or National Remote Sensing Center, is under the aegis of Ministry of Mines. The statement is false because it is under the ISRO's ambit. Second one, TAMRA is a web portal and mobile application to streamline the process of various statutory clearances. This statement is right. Now one has to be very careful here. There is a possibility that UPSC might change the option and say that this is a portal where auctions happen. Always try to remember the purpose for which a particular portal or a mobile app is created for preliminary exam. So therefore 2 only is the answer. Now this question is a sort of a revision for the previous video on PMKKY. Please go through that video and come back to answer this question. Please post your answers in the comment section below. That's it for now. Thank you.